Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking show. I'm Lauren Boucher and I'm doing another cookie episode. Very excited. So I'm doing peanut butter cookies today. I am making a full batch because I am. We're using a full stick of butter, which is half a cup. I couldn't cut the measurements in half anyway for this recipe because you're using a 1/3 cup and 3/4 cups and you know, just one of those recipes. So it's the basic recipe: flour, regular sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, peanut butter, 1 egg, salt, and butter. And that's it. So simple as that. It's gonna be good. So you are gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 eventually. I'm not doing that now. And I'm gonna start with the wet ingredients because I'm not doing the 2 bowls because, as you know, you usually measure out the dry ingredients, set aside, and then measure out the wet. But I'm just gonna do the wet first and then put the dry in and we'll mix them. So I didn't leave my butter out. You're supposed to use softened butter and I didn't leave my butter out. So I put it in the toaster oven for maybe like 10 minutes. I think it was 10 minutes at 150 degrees. So not sure if it's completely softened, but it's not soft, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, it's soft. I'm using the beaters today, so that's gonna make it good. Let's do it. 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. The recipe calls for light brown, but it's the same situation as last time. I have dark brown. 1/2 cup. Oh no, we're almost out of sugar. I gotta add that to my list. Okay, butter, sugar. Now we mix it up. I always start on low and then go faster. Okay, next you add the egg. And then 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Perfecto. So we mix that in on low. Okay, I'm gonna preheat the oven now. 350. Okay, so next we need 3/4 cups of peanut butter. Also the recipe does say use smooth peanut butter, but I have crunchy, so you know, you use what you got. I think it will still be delicious. I also have organic peanut butter, so it separates. And honestly, this Whole Foods brand peanut butter is not my favorite. It's definitely just okay. And you know what? I'm adding a little extra because they're peanut butter cookies. I mean, you got to. They're peanut butter cookies. Mix it in, people. Okay. For the dry ingredients, 1 1/3 cup of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I did use salted butter, so I am going to, on low, this one really on low because you're not supposed to overwork the flour, mix it in. You mix until it's just about mixed. It's really fluffy texture. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my God. That dough is freaking amazing. That's unbelievable. Okay, I am going to put these on a cookie sheet. Probably gonna take 2. It says the recipe makes 24 cookies. And then I'm gonna push each one down with a fork and I'm gonna bake them for 9 minutes. Look at these amazing cookies. They are so good. They look so good. I think my second batch was more even and I did them and I just think they're gorgeous. So basically you don't want them to brown up that much. You just want to cook them till they're almost brown and then You take them out, let them rest for 5 minutes, and then you're supposed to put them on a cookie drying sheet, or, you know, like those cookie grills. Guys, I'm coming in hot with another recipe. These cookies are so good. You're gonna love the way you look, the way you feel when you're eating them. So, take it from me, try this recipe. Recipe will be on my Instagram, on my website. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy this recipe. Go make some peanut butter cookies. Made 26 cookies. I must make small cookies. I ate 2. Unless I can't count. Let me recount. No, it's 24 cookies, so 26 cookies. And these are like pretty decent sized cookies. They're not tiny.